Hello everyone, myself Anmol Srivastav. We'll be watching a tutorial on creating a simple desktop application using VB.NET coding. I'll be starting with Microsoft Visual 2010 Ultimate. Go into the file menu, choose new. For creating desktop application, you choose project, and for creating a website, you need to choose website project. Choose Windows Form application. Since I'm coding with VB.NET, I'll be choosing VB Visual Basic. I'll be giving a name, for example, Demo01. I'll be showing an example of taking a text box and then retrieving it in another text box on the click of a button. Windows Form application, and here the form gets open. This is our form design, that the way will be designing on the form. This is a dummy copy, you can say, and the same way we'll be getting on the executable mode. First, I'll be choosing some controls from our text toolbox. These are the common controls, and these are the tools which can be used for creating desktop application. I'll take a label, just drop it, right click, go on the properties, choose the text property of the label and give any text to it. I'll give name. Now take a text box for getting input. Same process, properties. The text would be nothing, but I'll be giving a name to it. Here by default the name gets text box name. We'll be given txt name. Please make sure that it is important to get the name, because when you're designing big applications, for each and every control you need to give name, so that you remember and you have reference to it of your own, that yes, this text box is having this name. Now I'll be taking a button. You can align these controls according to your wish. You just need to drop it and place it. btn submit. Text would be on the button would be submit. I'll take another text box to get the value of the text box 1. Properties, txt result. Now here are the different properties what you're seeing. This is the font, that in which style you should get it. This is the fore color of the text, this is line color, and right to left in the way we want the text to be displayed. Okay, I'll choose here, for example, I'll choose bold italic. The result I should get in bold italic form. Okay, now for doing the coding part, we need to choose and control event and double click on it. After double clicking on it, we go into the .vb form of it. .vb. Here we do the coding. See, here we get the name of the button, btn submit. This is the advantage of giving name to each and every control. When you're designing big application, you might be having multiple buttons. For remembering each name, you give name. Now I'll take dem name as string. Name is equal to txt name dot text. Now dim is the keyword when you're declaring any variable. Name is the local variable because it is into this button part. For declaring global variables, you have to give to above this. Now string is the data type of it, that what type of data that variable will be holding. Now txt name dot text, that is the text box name dot text property for giving the name, for taking the input and giving into it. Now txt result dot text is equal to name. That's it, we are done with it. Name, I would be writing Anmol. That's it. We get in a different font style, you will be seeing. And this is the dummy copy and this is the executable form what we are getting. Now once again we'll revise it. We have taken two text boxes, one label, one button. We have given the name to it, that is BT, and submit. Dim name as string, we have taken a string variable, and by default the value what we get from text boxes are string variable. For performing arithmetic calculations, you need to convert it using the convert.to in 32 property. And one more thing what I'll show is that one more method to transfer the name from one text box to another, that is using a button. That is directly you can use this txt result.text txt name dot text. I'll comment this part and again I'll debug it. Yes, you get this in this thing also. The advantage of this part is that you can declare as many as variables, and you will be having a name of each text box value what you are getting it. By using this, you might forget that for which text box we are getting which value from which text box. By using this, you get a specific value into a variable of a text box. Thank you for watching the tutorial.